In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub organization. This is a useful way to manage repositories and collaborate with team members under one shared workspace. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Organizations. On the Organizations page, click New Organization to begin the setup process. Next, GitHub will ask you to choose an organization plan. Select Create a free organization if the free plan meets your needs. Now, enter a name for your organization. Choose something unique and easy to remember that represents your team or project. Then, enter your contact email address. This will be used for important notifications and updates related to your organization. Next, choose the appropriate option under Organization Belongs to, depending on whether the organization is for your personal work, a business, or another institution. GitHub may also ask you to verify your account. Complete the verification shown on the screen and submit it. Finally, review the terms of service, check the box to accept them, and click Next. And that's how to create a GitHub organization. Thanks for watching.